The US dollar is trading in the middle of a trading range from which it can easily escape both upwards and downwards. The economic calendar is loaded with macroeconomic data in the first half of December that does not promise the quiet market. Today, traders take notice of the manufacturing PMI from the Institute of Supply Management, which is seen as a forward-looking indicator of the economic health. The US dollar index opened the New York trade at 98.35. After a fake breakout at 98.30, traders refrained from active selling. Today, the US dollar is sensitive to a series of reports from the US, including ISM manufacturing PMI. Global investors are in the elevated mood, expecting revival in the global economy. Monetary easing by leading central banks is bearing fruit. Business activity has rebounded in the manufacturing sector of the US, China and the eurozone. The Japanese yen sank to a 6-month low against the US dollar on Monday. The Australian dollar and New Zealand dollar jumped after an unexpected recovery in China's industry. The euro is under the spotlight today. The euro was trading steadily at 1.1030 versus the US dollar, ahead of a testimony by ECB new President Christine Lagarde to the European Parliament. Depending on her speech, the euro could take any trajectory, setting a long-term trend. The Canadian dollar is still trading in the same range as in the previous session. The US dollar versus the Canadian dollar pair has got stuck at near 1.33 with uncertain prospects. Analysts assume a climb to the upper border of the trading range at 1.3313. In the morning tweet, the US president again targeted the Federal Reserve, saying the central bank should act so that countries, of which there are many, no longer take advantage of our strong dollar by further devaluing their currencies. End of quote. Besides, Donald Trump promised to impose tariffs on all steel and aluminium from Brazil and Argentina. He accused these countries of deflating their national currencies. That complicates things for American farmers. And that's all for today. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep track of the latest events on financial markets. See you back tomorrow.